Hello, I'm Benny Heron with the Father Engagement Unit.
I'm Calvin Robertson with the Father Engagement Unit.
Go.
So, Mr. C, how do you deal with disappointment?
I tend to, most of the time I just try to blow it off.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So, how do you deal with fear?
I'm not afraid of anything.
Hmm.
However, you make me angry, push me in a corner. There could be some consequences.
So, say you're dealing with one of your significant others and she, you're having a disagreement. How do you deal with that?
You take a deep breath, and I try to walk away. Most of the time, I try to walk away.
What happens if you don't walk away?
Yeah, it gets heated.
It gets heated.
It gets real heated.
So, it sounds like your default response or emotion is anger. Is that fair?
Yes, it is. Yeah, it
Anger.
is.
So, if everything that you feel or how you deal with how you feel is anger, is that effective?
In my world, yes, because people leave me alone.
Now, take this analogy for example. If you only have a hammer in every situation, if you're trying to fix a window, or you're trying to nail or trying to screw in something into a wood, and all you have is a hammer, you might be able to get that screw into that board, but it might not be the most effective, right?
Okay.
So it sounds like
Right.
sometimes everything you have at your disposal when you pushed into a corner or you're feeling over emotional,
Is that a hammer?
you become angry.
Yep.
And everything is a hammer.
Yep.
You become everything. You
That's
deal
right.
with it with
That's
a
right.
hammer.
That's right.
Which means everything you deal with is a nail.
Pretty much, yeah.
And that's can be beneficial sometimes, but not in every situation. Avoidance and anger, yes, it's part of being a human being, it's part of being a man. But you have to learn to put other tools in your toolbox and in your toolkit so that you can deal with this situation effectively. So through the Dad's Parenting Group, through the Father Engagement Unit, you can learn some other skills, some other tools, and we can help you nurture and sharpen those tools.
I guess if I have an open mind when I come, I'm not angry. That's a possibility.
Thank you.